Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In the previous video, we have finished up to 6 questions from the last section. Okay, only 3 more questions is there to finish this chapter. So, let's move on to our last section of this chapter, that is question number 7. Okay, so your question is, prove that the sum of any number of terms of the arithmetic sequence 16, 24, 32, etc. starting from the first added to 9 gives a perfect square. So this is a question. It means when we add the sum of any particular terms of the arithmetic sequence, one sequence is given. For example, if we are adding 100 terms, first 100 terms of this sequence, that sum plus 9, if we add plus 9 to that sum, that answer will be a perfect square. That we need to prove here. Okay, that means sum of n terms plus 9 gives a perfect square. Answer must be perfect square. That is the question. So let's see how we will prove this. Here, this is a sequence given 16, 24, 32, etc. We have to check sum of any terms plus 9. That is, sum of any terms means Sn we need to find. Sum of any terms means Sn. That Sn plus 9. If we add a 9, the number 9 to this sum, check whether the answer is a perfect square. Okay, that answer is a perfect square. That is, we need to prove here. Okay, it must be a perfect square. Okay, that is a question. So for that, in order to find the sum, what is the equation? Sn equation is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into t. This is the equation to find sum of n terms. In order to find this sum, we need n. Anyway, no need to find because it is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression we are going to find. So n we can take as n itself. Now we need first term and common difference. What is the first term here? In this sequence, first term is 16. Okay. Now common difference. Common difference is second term minus first term. That is 24 minus 16. Here answer will be 8. So 8 is a common difference. Now we can apply the values in the equation. That is Sn is equal to n by 2. So n by 2 like this. Then 2 into first term. 2 into f is 16 plus n minus 1 into d, common difference, that is 8. Okay, now in the next step, n by 2 into 2 into 16, that is 32, plus open the bracket. N we don't know, so open the bracket. N into 8, that is 8n minus 1 into 8, 8. Okay, so 32 plus 8n minus 8. That is equal to n by 2 into 8n, let's write first, then 32 minus 8. So 32 minus 8, what will be the answer? Answer will be 24. 32 minus 8 is 24. Now in the next step, we got Sn is equal to n by 2 into 8n plus 24. Now we have to open the bracket. Okay, n by 2. We have to multiply this n by 2 with these two terms. So here n by 2 into 8n. First number is 8n plus n by 2 into 24. Okay, this number into this number, then this number into next number. That is equal to, here 2 and 8 we can cancel, multiples of 2. So in 2 only 1, 2, in 8, 4. So 4n into n. 4n into n. n into n is n square. So 4n square plus, here 24 and 2. Both are multiples of 2. So here only 1, 2. Here 12. So answer is 12n. So 4n square plus 12n. This is the answer we got as Sn, sum of n terms. Now question is, when we add 9 to this sum, okay, when we add 9 to this sum of n terms, what will be the number, what will be the speciality of the sums, whether it is a perfect square or not. That is the question. So for that, this is the expansion of 2n plus 3 whole square. 2n plus 3 whole square. Okay, expansion of this is 4n square plus 12n plus 9. But this method will be difficult for you. Okay, to get this, another method is there that will be difficult. So I am explaining another way to check. Let's start with first number. First number is 1. Okay, if n is 1, just check whether the number is a perfect square or not. So here if n is 1, 1 square, 1 into 4, 4 plus 12 into 1, 12 plus 9. What will be the answer? 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 9, answer will be 25. 25 is a perfect square. Okay, now sum of 2 is 2. If you are putting 2 as a number, what will be the answer? 2 square will be here. So 4 into 2 square is 4. So 4 into 4 plus 12 into n. In here it is 2 plus 9. 4 4s are 16 plus 12 into 2, 24 plus 9. Okay, next is, so 16 plus 24. 16 plus 24 is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. 49 is also a perfect square. So when we continue this process, that means next number 3, then 4, you can see that the final answer after adding 9, the final answer we will get as a perfect square. So this is the method. Okay. Next is question number 8. Here one number pattern is given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. First sub question is, write the next 2 lines of the pattern above. Okay, next 2 lines of the pattern. Second sub question is, write the first and the last numbers of the 10th line. Okay, when we continue the process, what will be the first number and the last number of the 10th line. Now the third sub question, find the sum of all the numbers in the first 10 lines. Okay, very important one. So let's see how to solve. This is a question. In first line only 1 number. In second line 2 number. Third line 3 number. Fourth line 4 number. So our first sub question is, write the next 2 lines. Okay, first sub question answer next 2 lines. You can directly write 2, 3, next number 4, then here 6, next number 7. That means here 10. So next number will be 11, 12, 13, 14. One more number we have to write. So 15. So this is the first line. Now second line, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, these two are the next 2 lines. Okay, so first sub question answer over. Now the next sub question is, what will be the first number and the last number of the 10th line? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 line we have finished. Up to 6 lines we finish. We want to find 10th line's first number and the last number. Okay. Now in the 10th line, how many numbers will be there in 10th line? 10 numbers will be there. Okay. So 10 numbers will be there. So in order to find the first number, we have to consider these numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, like that. Okay. By considering these numbers, we can find the first number of the 10th line. Okay. Now consider this. These are the first number of each line. Okay. First line's first number 1. Second line's first number 2. Third line's first number 4. Fourth line first number 7. Fifth line first number 11. This is continuing like this. Okay. Now let's check. First line first number, that is 1. No, nothing to add or subtract. Okay, that number itself. Now to get the second line's first number, that is 2. What we have to add to this 1? Only 1 is enough to add. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Now come to the third line. This is third line. Okay, third line. Third line first number is 4. Here already 1 plus 1, that is 2 is here. That means 2 more add. Okay. To get 4 as the answer, 1 plus 1, 2 already here. To that answer, 2 more we need to add. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Now fourth number. Fourth line's first number 7. So 7 here up to 1 plus 1 plus 2. Total 4 is here. 4 plus 3 more we need to add. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. Now fifth line. In the fifth line up to this plus 4 more here. Okay. Now check. Fifth line up to 4 we are adding. 1 plus, that means starting number plus that natural number up to 4 is we are adding. For the fourth line, starting number plus fourth line means up to 3 we are adding. Third line means starting number plus up to 2 natural number we are adding. That means if 10th line, to get the 10th line's first number, starting number plus up to which number we have to add, natural number up to which we need to add, 10th line. Okay, check here once more. 5th line means up to 4, just previous number, up to 4 we are adding to the first number. 4th line means starting number plus 4th means up to 3 we are adding. That means 10th line's first number means starting number 1. 1 plus natural number we have to add up to what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 9 numbers we have to add. Up to 9. 10th line means up to 9 we have to add. Then we will get the 10th line's first number. Okay, 10th line first number we will get. Now here, in order to add this 1 plus, this is the sum of natural number. Sum of how many natural numbers? Sum of 9 natural numbers. What is the equation? Natural number equation sum. Equation is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the equation. N into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of n natural number. So here sum of 9 natural number means 9 into n plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2 will be. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus this 10 and 2 we can cancel. Into only 1, 2, in 10, 5. So 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. So 1 plus 45, that is 46. 46 will be the first number of 10th line. So this 46 will be the first number in the 10th line. Okay, just understand the pattern. A number pattern means a rule must be there. Oh, that is the speciality of number pattern. So here rule is to get the position, to get the first number of each position, starting number plus that n minus 1 times natural number we are adding. Okay, fifth line means n minus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4, up to 4 natural number we are adding to the first number. That is the rule here. So in order to get the 10th line's first number, that starting number 1 plus 9 natural numbers sum we have to add here. Similarly, we can find the first number of 100th line. 100th line means what? 99, up to 99 natural number we have to add to the first number. Okay, so 46 is the first number of 10th line. Okay, so in the 10th line, first number we got as 46. Okay, first number is 46. Now last number we have to find. Last number of 10th line. Okay, last number in the 10th line. We know total 10 numbers will be there in 10th line. 10 numbers. So in order to get the last number, how many times we have to add common difference here? This first number plus 10th position. Okay, 10th position's number of the 10th line. That is the last number. So from first number we have to add 9 times common difference. Okay, 9 times common difference we have to add to this first number to get the last number. Here we know from the number pattern we know the common difference is 1 because 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That means common difference is 1. So 9 into 1 that is equal to 46 plus 9 that is 55. So 55 is the last number of 10th line. First number in the 10th line 46, last number in the 10th line 55. Now the third sub question is find the sum of all the numbers up to 10th line. All the numbers sum we have to find. That means starting from the first line. So 1 plus second line 2 plus 3. Okay. Now third line 4 plus 5 plus 6 up to 10th line last number. 10th line last number is 55. Okay. Sum of this we have to find. Sum of all the numbers in that number pattern up to 10th line. That is the third sub question. So here you can see this is sum of natural numbers. Okay, sum of natural numbers. So sum of natural number equation we know what is the equation? N into n plus 1 by 2. This is the equation. So that is equal to here number. Total how many numbers? 55 numbers are there. Continuous numbers. So total 55 numbers will be here. So 55 into 56 by 2. 55 into 56 by 2. So answer will be, here we can cancel. This 2 and 56 are multiples of 2. So in 2 only 1, 2. Now here in 5, 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. That is 16. In 16, 8 2s are there. That is 55 into 28. So that is equal to 1540. 1540 is the answer. That means sum of first 55 numbers. Okay, sum of first 55 numbers is 1540. Now our last question is question number 9. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 31, etc. Write the next two lines of the pattern and calculate the first and last term of the 20th line. Okay, first and last term of the 20th line also you have to find. So here you can see that same like the previous question, in each row contains that number of rows. That is first row, first number, second row, 2 number, like that. One more thing you can see, common difference is 3 here. Okay, 3 is adding. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, like that. Okay, so let's start with the problem. Here we can see that 3 is a common difference. Okay, so this is the first sub question answer. Up to 31 we have. So 31 plus 3, 34, then 34 plus 3, 37, like that you have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row and 6th row we are writing. So 5th row 5 numbers, then 6th row 6 numbers you have to write. So this is first sub question answer. Next second sub question is find the first and last number of 20th line. 20th line's first number and last number we have to find. So for that let's consider the first number of each row. Okay, first number of each row. 4, 7, 13, 22, etc. Continue like this. Okay. Now here, when we check the number pattern, we can see that 3 is a common difference. Okay, 3 is a common difference here. So first number 4 means no need to add any number. It's 4 itself. Now to get 7, what we need to add to the first number? Starting number is 4. We have to add 3 to the first number. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, now in the next line, third line, 4 plus 3 already here. Okay, 4 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 7 plus what will be 13? 7 plus 6 is 13 here. So 4 plus 3, then 4 plus 3 plus 6. This we can arrange like this. 4 plus 4 is a fixed number because starting number is 4. That's why we are not changing that first number 4. Now 3 plus 6. This number, you can see these two numbers are multiples of 3. So we can take that 3 as common number. Common difference 3. That means the 3 we can take as common number. Now in 3 only 1 3 plus in 6 2. So 4 plus 3 into 1 plus 2. Okay, starting number plus that common difference into 1 plus 2. Here first two natural number we are adding. First two natural number because it is third line. Consider the fourth line here. That is 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus. That is 13 plus what is 22? 13 plus 9 is 22. Okay. So 3 plus 6 plus 9. All these three are multiples of 3. So this also we can write like this. 4 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Only up to 3 is enough because in 9, 3 is 3 times. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now check the position. Fourth position's first number. Fourth position, that means 4 minus 1 up to 3 natural number we are considering. So in general, if we have to write the 10th line's first number, if we have to write the 10th line's first number, how we will write? Starting number 4 plus 3 is a common difference here into how many natural number we will add here? 10th line. That means 1 plus 2 plus etc. up to 9. First 9 natural numbers sum into 3 plus 4 will be the 10th line. Okay, so similarly here we have to find the 20th line's first number. So 20th line's first number means 4 plus 3 into sum of 20 here. 20 here means 20 minus 1, 19. Okay, first 19's natural number sum into 3 plus 4 will be the first number. Okay, you have to do this. Okay, this is the method. Using this method, try to find the answer. Otherwise, you can't understand. Okay, try to do. Only practice is the way to remember the problems. Okay, so using this method, try to find 1 plus 2 plus 19 means the sum of natural number equation. Here we can apply. 4 plus 3 is a general. So 4 plus 3 into sum of 19 numbers means n into n plus 1 by 2. That is 19 into n plus 1, that is 20 by 2. First multiply these, then divided by 2 plus 4. You will get the first number of 20th line. Now to find the last number in that 20th line. In 20th line 20 numbers will be there. That means the answer first number plus 19 times common difference you can add. Then you will get the last number. Okay. So try to do this last number. This is the last problem of our first chapter. Okay. So chapter over. Learn properly. Learn all the equations. Okay.